What is going on? In this video, going to be shooting Lomography's Lomochrome Metropolis film, which comes in 120 and 35mm. It desaturates colors, it mutes tones, it adds contrast, and just gonna be walking around. I'm in downtown Pismo Beach, and just gonna be shooting some photos on a quick little photo walk to give you an idea of how this film looks, and another film to put in your arsenal to play with. A lot of what we're trying to do is create videos to show you different results with different films, so you can get out there and make different choices with what you're shooting, or just get out there to try to be creative. And so we'd love to hear from you. Is this a film that you like or not? Have you tried it before? What were the results you got? Where would you shoot it if you wanted to shoot it? But yeah, we'd love to hear from you down below in the comments. We as a shop are trying to be a resource for you, to give you inspiration to shoot more film, try things maybe you haven't tried, and hopefully this is one of those films that did that for you. Again, would love to hear just down below, what do you think of the Metropolis? And is it a film you would try? We have it in our shop. We have a bunch of the Lomography films. There are tons of options out there. And we're, again, here to be a resource for you. Hope you can join our club, Film Supply Club, and check the end screen for videos that you should watch next. Lomography Purple is one I would recommend, because that is another really fun film, but we will see you on the next one.